So now we are in the airplane going to Manila. The last video that you saw was us in going to Incheon, Korea via Asiana Airlines. Now we're on the second leg, and this is 3.5 hours. This flight. The last flight was, I want to say, 12 hours or 12 and a half. So it was definitely shorter than what I thought it would be. But we just started this flight. The boys got a little bit of sleep. Actually, the person who slept the best was Zach. He slept a few hours. Jordan probably got an hour and a half of sleep, and Zayden got maybe an hour of sleep. So not a lot of sleep on the first flight, which was, like I said, a 12-hour flight. So definitely, I think everybody's tired now. Margin and myself, we didn't get any sleep. You know, holding the little guys while we were trying to get them to sleep. Didn't afford us to have any sleep of our own. That's just one of the sacrifices you have to make when you bring little tots over large distances and bodies of water. You gotta look out for them, make sure they get their sleep. So that's what we did. Jordan, what are you doing, Jordan? What are you doing? Where are we going right now? Where are we going right now? Tell me where we're going. Philippines? Okay. Who are we going to see in the Philippines? Who are we going to see? No, stay over there. Who are we going to see? No, stay. Dude. Okay. Alright. Okay, I see. Get all your stuff here. Who are we going to see in the Philippines? Huh?
No, Daddy, don't look at me like that.
Just tell me one person we're going to see. Can you tell me one person we're going to see?
Daddy, please.
Well, tell me somebody we're going to see.
Daddy!
What?
Stop filming me.
Stop filming you? Well, I'm filming you. You made a mess over here, buddy.